Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever noticed that the letter Meem sometimes sounds clear, sometimes sounds hidden, and sometimes sounds strong and doubled when you recite the Quran? That is not random. This happens because of something called the rules of the Meem Saakinah. In today's lesson, we will learn what is Meem Saakinah, the three rules of the Meem Saakinah, when to apply each rule, and how to avoid common mistakes. This lesson is very important for beginners and intermediate students. And by the end of this video, inshallah, you will be able to recognize the rule immediately when reading the Quran, inshallah. So let's start step by step. First, what is Al-Meem Saakinah? What does al-mim sakina mean? Al-mim sakina is the letter meme with no vowel on it. That means no fatha, no kasra, or even no dhamma. It can appear in two ways. First, with sukoon sign over it, or at the end of a word with no vowel. I'll give you examples: hum, alayhim, and Now, the role of the meme sakina depends on the letter that comes after the meme. After it, there are three rules only, no more, no less. And these rules, each rule depends on the letter that comes after the meme. These rules are Al-Ikhfaa Shafawi, Idghaam Mithlayn, and Izhaar Shafawi. We will take each rule slowly with examples, inshallah. Rule number one. It's called Al-Ikhfaa Shafawi. When does Ikhfaa Shafawi happen? Al-Ikhfaa Shafawi happens when a Meem Sakina followed by letter Ba. Okay, one more time. Meem Sakina, then after followed by letter Ba. That's it. Only one letter. Meem Sakina followed by letter Ba. How do we pronounce it? We hide the meme. Ikhfa, actually first, al-ikhfa means to hide. We have two words, ikhfa'un shafawi. Al-ikhfa means to hide. We are trying to hide something. What is that thing? It's a meme sakina. We try to hide the meme sakina. And shafawi, coming from word shifa. Shifa, its Arabic word means lips. Okay? إخفاء شفوي because الميم الساكنة coming from the lips. So we keep a light nasal sound. First we hide the ميم الساكنة and we keep a light nasal sound غنة. The غنة is about 2 counts, okay, like closing your fingers twice. And the lips do not close fully. Just join your lips slightly. Do not press your lips, okay? No, that's wrong, okay? We join the lips slightly. Very important. Do not pronounce a clear meme. Do not press lips tightly. No, it's slightly. عليهم بما. Example. عليهم بما. We do not say عليهم بما or عليهم بما. No, we say عليهم بما. Why it is called Shafawi? Again, because al-mim sakina comes from the lips. Lips in Arabic means shifa. Shafawi coming from shifa. Okay? Al-ba and al-mim, they both come from the lips. Okay? So Shafawi means lip-based pronunciation. I believe we can stop there inshallah for today. If this lesson helped you understand the rules of al-mim sakina, subscribe to the channel so you can continue learning Tajweed step by step. Share this video with a friend learning Quran, a new Muslim, or anyone who wants to improve their recitation. And write in the comment which rule was most confusing for you before this lesson. I read your comments and reply personally, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.